Bismillah. Have you ever wanted there to be just one thing that you could take that would just be like the cure-all, end-all, the fixer that you can just depend on? Well, there is something out there, and that is this oil. And we're going to talk all about it here in this video. Castor oil or black seed oil? Which oil is better? And truly, both black seed and castor oil are amazing oils, are great for your skin, for pain management, for your hair. So I'm going to show you some of their major similarities and differences so you can decide which one is best for you. And if you're new here, please take a minute to subscribe. And feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any kind of health issue that you would like to have a video done on. I'd love to hear it. Now, both castor oil and black seed oil you can get at almost any health store. And I'll leave some links in the shopping cart here of some that I would recommend if you can't find any. So first, what are the similarities between the two? Now, both of them are very great for your skin. They both can help with acne, completely healing it. They both are amazing for scars. They're both amazing for anti-aging, which helps with skin rejuvenation and fighting those wrinkles and any kind of wound healing and just making your skin look beautiful overall. And both of these you can mix with other oils to get even more benefits because they are carrier oils. I actually use both of them. I have a cream that I made that I put on my face every day, at least twice a day, and it has black seed in it and the castor oil in it. And I've been using it for over 6 months now, and it has done amazing for my skin. I can't tell you how much difference it's made. My skin looks really young and healthy. Everyone always thinks I'm 20, and I've done a whole video. If you want to go see this moisturizer, I've done a whole video on it over here. It's amazing for your skin. You'll love it. Try that. And the good thing about the castor oil and black seed is they both help to reverse that aging process and make you just look younger the longer you use it. So both amazing to start using. They're both very good for pain. I'm sure you've heard of those castor oil packs. People use these for all kinds of things. Maybe you have cramps or you have any kind of pain from maybe exercise. People use castor oil packs to help to relieve pain. It works really, really well. Black seed oil is also great for pain. It helps to relieve pain completely as well. And you could even use both of them in a oil pack and a longer lasting pain relief. For your hair, castor oil is amazing for your hair, and so is black seed oil. Castor oil can help to thicken up your hair as well as help to stimulate growth, and it's really good for helping to stop any kind of hair fall. Black seed oil is amazing for making your hair grow and helping to keep your color lasting long, as it helps to stimulate your natural pigmentation, so it keeps your color longer. Both make your hair beautiful, shiny, soft, amazing. I can't say which one is better for your hair. They both do a great job. And of course, using them both together, that's like hands down one of the best things you can do. Add a little rosemary oil in there. You got the perfect mix for perfect hair forever. I could go on and on about castor oil and black seed. There's so many things that they both can do. But these are some of the main basic ones that people talk about. I have lots more videos on both of them. If you're curious and want to look further, go ahead and watch those playlists. So let's talk about their differences. Castor oil is a lot thicker. Black seed is more runny. Castor oil is a better moisturizer overall. So if you have really dry skin problems, you would probably want to try the castor oil over the black seed. Castor oil also is known for being used internally for constipation. People also use castor oil for detoxing. And again, this is not something you would do all the time, maybe once a month to help to detox your body or get rid of any kind of worms or parasites. Some people do take castor oil every day, although there's not a lot of research of how this benefits you. So I'm not going to say that this is safe or a good choice. Now on to black seed oil. What are the differences here? Well, black seed oil has quite a few differences compared to castor oil. We're just going to start with the skin first. It is good for the skin as well, but for things like hyperpigmentation, or if you have vitiligo, I don't know how to say that right, where you have big patches of different color skin, flaxseed would be the one to go to help with any kind of pigmentation problems. It works much, much better. And for taking it internally, this is something quite different from the castor oil, because black seed is much safer to take internally. You can take this daily if you want without any problems. In fact, I take it daily. It is very good for your body. And here are just a few ways that you can take black seed internally. You can take it for asthma. It helps to improve your lung function, any kind of COPD or even allergies. Taking the black seed will help to reduce any kind of those symptoms, such as itchiness, runny nose, difficulty breathing, all of this. It's also really great for your digestive system. You know, you get a lot of candida overgrowth in your system if you've taken a lot of antibiotics, or you might get H. pylori, which is another bacteria you get in your stomach area, and this can get overgrowth and cause you a lot of ulcers and just problems overall. And taking black seed will help to kill off and fight all the fungal infections and bacterial infections in your stomach and digestive tract. So just basically it cleans out the whole digestive tract, keeping it healthy. If you have weight problems, it's really good for that. It helps to manage your weight. Maybe you have diabetes. It's excellent for helping with diabetes by controlling your blood sugar levels. And it also improves your insulin sensitivity. I've done several videos on both of those. You can go and check them out. One of the things black seed is really, really good for is helping your liver. And it can help your liver in so many ways. They haven't even been able to document all the ways that it helps your liver. It protects your liver. It helps to clean out your liver. It helps to kill off any kind of cancer cells. You can go and watch my video here on black seed for cancer. It does some amazing stuff for your body. It will really take care and protect your liver in every way. So there's many, many, many more uses you can use the black seed oil for internally. And I think that's one of the biggest differences between castor oil and black seed oil, is that you can use this one much more internally to do much more than the castor oil could do. Now, both of these oils are amazing, don't get me wrong, because I use them both every single day. And those are the biggest differences between the two. And with both of these oils, you need to be careful if you're pregnant. You should not be taking them. And also, if you are on any kind of blood thinning medications, you should also be careful. And make sure whichever one you try, or if you try them both, make sure that you get ones that are at least in a glass bottle and has no chemicals added, no hexane, any of this in it. Here are some links in the shopping cart for some that seem to be the best ones I could find, if you can't find them on your own. Please leave some comments down below which one you've tried, or if you've tried them both. And go and watch my playlist over here on the black seed oil and castor oil so you can get a bigger picture of both of them and how they can work and help your body.